Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put YouTube Shorts in 3 times speed. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically the first thing would be is just to open your YouTube web app so we can start creating shorts. So here in the YouTube app, web app, we are just going to click on this plus sign and basically now we will be able to start creating shorts. So either you can start recording and basically you will be able to create your shorts, or you can start just add some media that you have on your phone. So basically, I'm just going to add this video, for example, or you can add any other video, and you can start processing this video first and start recording on top of this video. So let's just wait for the processing to finish. And after that, we will be able to start speeding up and add some modification or to start editing this video. And now all you will need to do now is just to choose any type of playback speed or speed for your video. So basically here we have the very slow speed and this is the very fast. So since you want to put your YouTube shorts in 3 times speed, you will need just to click on this. And after that, you can just uh, go to the timer and have like some kind of countdown if you would like. And you will need just to end uh, the processing or in the modification. Also, you can start adding some filters to your video. You can add some effects if you would like. You can have many editing tips like trimming the video so you can have only some parts of it or whatever you want. And of course, you can start adding some effects, also some filters for your video colors, etc. Then you will need just to click on OK, and now you have your shorts that is ready and that is in the 3 times speed and you can publish this after that. So thank you for watching and see you next time.